Okay, to access your school domain Google Docs, just go to google.com and click the sign in button in the top right hand corner. Your email is going to be your student ID at misd.gs, or if you're a staff, it is your first name underscore last name at misd.gs. But students, this part is your student ID. Your password is the same password that you set up for iBoss, and then click sign in. Now this will put you into your Google Apps for Education, and you'll know you're in here because along the black bar at the top you will see all the different apps available to you. Now we're going to focus in on Google Drive, so we'll click on the Drive up here at the top. Within Google Drive, to be able to create a document, you're going to create document. This is also where you would create presentation, a spreadsheet, a Google form, or drawing. Today we're going to just create a document, and within your document you can come up here to File and Rename. A window will come up for you to name your document, so we'll just name this Test Document and hit Save. You can also go over here to the Share button, and then here, if you want to collaborate on your document with a fellow student or staff member, you click over here to change, and anyone with a link. I like to use anyone with a link. If you click here for people at Midlothian ISD can find and access, then that means that they must be logged into a Midlothian ISD account. And then right here you assign the access permission. Can they view it? Can they comment? Can they edit? Then I hit save. Now I can invite specific people that I want to share my document with, or I can also add a message, and when they get an email notification it will also have my note to them, and then I click share and save. Now if I want to distribute this, I can copy this link. This would also be the link if this was an assignment that I would turn in to Blackboard. So this would be my link. It's really important for you to understand that the link includes whatever sharing permissions you have set up. So don't copy the link, then come in here and change it, because this reflects what you have created here. Now hit done. Now you can begin to type. One of the things that I love about Google Docs, there's actually two things. If I was doing some research, obviously I don't have that spelled correctly, so I'm going to go to my spelling and I'm going to change it. Now maybe I need to do some research on Antarctica. If I go to Tools, down to Research, it will populate some information for me, and there's also a citation format in here. Right now the graphics are blocked. We're working on trying to get that unblocked within the research tool, because typically if I click and just drag this over, I can actually drag it over and it's going to work, but I just am not able to see what it is that I am dragging over. So we're working on getting this to be able to show. Now one other thing that I want to show you that's really important is, especially when you're collaborating on a project, if your teacher goes to File to see revision history and clicks down here, show more detailed revisions, every revision that is made will be recorded. There is nothing you can do to alter this. And so where this becomes important is if you are collaborating with another student, your teacher will be able to tell who did what exactly. So if I come over here to this revision, you can tell that I haven't really done anything, and it's not till I get to here that you can see that I've added a graphic and typed Antarctica. And if you'll notice, I had set the MLA format, and so I drug this picture in, and so right down here it gives credit to where I got that particular graphic. So once you're done, the link that you created right here is what you would actually turn into your teacher on Blackboard. So this is Google Docs in a nutshell.